What is up, everybody? I hope you guys are enjoying your day so far. As you can see, well, as you guys can figure out already from last night, Robbie and I are heading to the second part of this whole process for our job with these guys. Ion Solar, everyone. And believe it or not, Robbie and I want to work for these guys more than any other we've ever encountered. The kind of earning potential we have with these guys is very high. Yeah, I see it. That's more than enough. Looks like it's going to turn out to be another beautiful day, everyone. Though I'm going to have to say this as well. Chances are it's going to be hot again too. Hence why Robbie and I are getting short sleeve polos. The trouble is they're going to be black to kind of fit with the Ion Solar's colors. So I will continue wearing my blue jeans. You know how I like to wear my jeans. Now there's something I need to tell you later on. You're not going to like it. Well, guys, here I am at Falling Creek Iron Works. Another piece of bad news. And I'm gonna have to tell them both together. First piece is the fact that when I took my shower this morning, my father decided to kind of interrupt and sit, all because he had to use the bathroom. When honestly, he should have used it before I went in, before I even got. He should have used it as he was making the coffee and let my old half brother make all the coffee. But as usual, he puts that off too. So then he puts off using the bathroom till he gets the coffee done. And then when I'm in the shower, he decides to basically get all he decides to get all upset about it, complaining to me about the fact that he needs to use the bathroom and that I need to hurry up. Seriously? This is why I need this opportunity that I'm trying to take here. But which brings me to the other piece of bad news. Robbie's basically saying he's not going to make it because of a migraine and his stomach doing the same thing it always does. He deals with this every morning. He should be used to it by now as far as I'm concerned. So how am I going to get up there now? I can't just keep putting this crap off. I can't. I need to get a better job than the one I have. I cannot keep working for a company like Cooper's Hawk. Because honestly, guys, it is too far away. They only have 50 locations, and they're doing it too slowly. And then here's another thing. Even when you don't have transportation, they somehow expect you to get up there. And they expect you to be reliable and show up on time every day. I rely on the buses to get there every day. So how can I be there on time every day when those drivers screw up every freaking day? I need to get out of Cooper's Hawk if they're going to be pushing me like that over something that's out of my control. I can't control what those bus drivers do. I seriously can't. And I'm gonna be stuck at this job maybe another week over this crap? I'm sorry, but no. No. If anything, if this keeps going on, I'm basically screwed. And stuck working a 9-to-5 job for the rest of my life. Jobs that I'm gonna come to hate later on. They always start out chilled out and nice to work at, and then the underbelly shows itself. This is ridiculous. Yeah, I'm finally on the Falling Creek. Finally on the bridge at Falling Creek, everyone. Been wanting to do this for a while. Oh, what the heck just landed on my hand? For anyone who knows what kind of flowers these are, leave a comment in the. Go ahead and leave a comment below. And I'm gonna see if I can try to get down. Not exactly gonna be a fun experience, but I'll let you guys watch. Go. These rocks aren't exactly stable. Yep, there we go. Down. There we go. Gotta be careful here, but it's an easier route getting up and down than the one my dad took. But yeah, now I'm right down by the water, which I kind of like the idea of. Ooh, are those tadpoles? I think that we got tadpoles in there. They're quick little critters. Definitely need to know what you're doing in some parts, but this is a much easier path to climb. This is the part where I have to be careful. Roots that you can trip over. Yeah, this is bad, guys. I can't see anything over that way.
And I'm having trouble.
We're barely going 20. We were just going 25 miles an hour, and we
35.
Still couldn't see much. I mean, that's what we're in right now. We're in that orange area, and we're about to go into the red. Just to get to the Walmart, which, yeah.
Anybody that's out in this video is going to be later on. And this is just bad. This is like really freaking bad. I've driven in a lot of weather. Like if you're going to drive in weather like this, slow down and as Jack Sparrow said from Pirates of the Caribbean, and don't do nothing stupid.
Guys, when we were here earlier, they didn't have any power at Wawa. Look now. Every light in there is on, and yet they're still closed. They refuse to open back up.
So you know what? And the guys that we were trying to help, they took off, so...
Because the pumps are actually working again.
Well, guess what, Nanny? You now have a full can of gas for a lawnmower. You're welcome. And, oh, Amy, if you're watching this, Jimmy volunteered since we couldn't give the gas to him. And by the way, I've realized how much I owe. Leave me alone. I got this. Oh, by the way, I love you. So anyway.
Yeah.
So you know what? We're going to go get some. We're going to go. Jimmy's volunteered to get us some to eat. We're going to take trash can. We're going. Yeah, the trash can. The gas can. Yeah, good one.
Taking the gas can and putting it under the front ramp.
That way, Nanny, when you get home and you want me or Black or you to mow the lawn, we can get her done. God, I could, wow.
Hello.
Yeah, you didn't scare me, bitch.
Honestly, guys, I'm at Robbie's house at the moment. So I won't exactly be spending the night. I'm gonna kind of recycle last night's outro and use that. But basically, tomorrow's gonna be my last day off before I have to head into work. Unless, yeah, it's a little after midnight according to that clock up there. I'm not sure. Yes, guys, Robbie and I are jumping into this next job. We're not playing anymore. We're tired of working regular 9-to-5 jobs that we don't like. We're tired of it. So I'm gonna say this now. Next week, we're finishing this whole process. And we're going all in. Well, guys, I'm gonna have to end the video here. So if you enjoyed it, go ahead and smash that like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified of every new video. Also, guys, if you haven't already, you can go ahead and check out the links to my other channels in the bio. Same with the social media. Go ahead and follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and even send me a friend request on Facebook if you want. However, the phone number I left is no longer valid, so I gotta take care of that. Also, guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and check out my referral links for Epidemic Sound, Amazon Prime, SoundJ, and Fiverr. Links are all in the bio. Also a freelancer on Fiverr, so for those of you who don't know this yet, link to my seller profile is in the bio. So go ahead and check out that to see what I do there. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed your day, and I'll see you next video.